going to show you about our chickens today.
And these are our chickens that my classroom has had since the beginning of school. We're going to show you. Brylee's got some scratch to feed them. All right, pour it out so they can. They love pecking at that corn and that scratch, and that's only a treat for them. All right, Brylee, you want to pick one of them up?
This one is Dorothy.
She's the one that likes to come up on the porch. She likes to talk.
She always flies over that thing.
She does. She flies out of the coop all the time.
And that is Rose. That is Sophia. And that is
Blanche.
we named them after the Golden Girl.
We did. All right, and there's their swing. They like to swing on their swing.
We put some sticks in there so they can jump on that.
They do. They have their water. They have their perch where they roost at night. All right, check and see if there's any eggs. How many you got?
3.
3 of them. And these eggs, they lay about 1 egg per day.
Sometimes 4.
Yeah, there's 4 chickens, so sometimes we get 4 eggs a day. But they have a protective coating on them where they can stay out of the refrigerator for a little while. And once you wash that protective coating off of there, then you have to put the eggs in the refrigerator.
The chickens, sometimes if we're outside, we like to let them and run around. They love to pick at the pool.
They do. But when we had these in our classroom, they were teeny tiny little babies, and I wanted to show y'all how much they had grown.
And if you can boil eggs and give them to me.
You can.
And if you have cracked eggs, you give them back the shells, and it'll give them a lot of protein.
That's right.